Dear students, welcome to today's class. So, in the last class, we discussed about the three L's of empowerment by Christine Lagarde. Out of the three L's, we discussed the two L's, learning and labor. And we found that learning and labor are the key factors. Today, we are going to the third L, that is leadership. We all know that leadership is very important. Who is the leader in our family? Our father. Most of the families, our father is the leader. And in every where we can see gents are the leaders. In a small group itself, consisting of gents and ladies, gents may be the leaders. Leadership that enables women to rise and fulfill their innate abilities and talents. Recently, we read about Gauriamma. Gauriamma was a great leader in our society. Indira Gandhi was a great leader, our former prime minister. A lot of such cases are there. Pratibha Patil was our former president of India. They were all great leaders. So, leadership that enables women to rise and fulfill their innate abilities and talents. What is innate? Inborn. What is the inside our mind? That is innate. Innate abilities and talents. So, leadership quality may be there every woman, but let them to come forward and take the opportunity of leadership. That is very important. Here there is plenty of room for improvement. Now at times, limited chances are there for female to come to the leadership level. So plenty of room for improvement. We have to improve more. The irony is that when women lead, they tend to do as good as job as others. When women lead, they tend to do as good as job as others. When women come to lead the leadership, they will do better. That is uh, a reason. If not a better job, they are more likely to make decisions based on consensus building, inclusion, compassion, and with a focus on long term sustainability. They are taking the decisions based on these important factors, which are the factors consensus building. That means with the consent of others, with the help of others, with the decision of others, inclusion by including everybody. That is very important. Including everybody. Compassion by knowing the feelings of others. Compassion and with a focus on long term sustainability. What is sustainability? Sustainability means the continuation. That means what we desired that should sustain, that should continue sustainability. It is true that women sometimes lack the confidence to match their competence. Women sometimes lack the confidence to match their competence. They have the competence, but they lack the confidence. That's the problem. But they need to change that mindset and reset the narrative in their favor. So it is essential that women be ready to dare the differences. Be ready to dare the differences. Many differences are there, but we have to overcome and come to the leadership to take risk and step outside their comfort zones. When we come to a leader, we have to take different decisions. We have to take different risk. These risks are very important. Nonetheless, even those with the drive to succeed continue to face barriers. Many barriers may be there, many blocks may be there, many hurdles may be there, but continue to face the barriers. Whether we are talking about providing primary education for girls in a village or executive positions for women in business. When we give primary education to women, they will be able to take such challenges and risks. They will come forward. Nowadays, a lot of chances are there. Panchayat, you know that. Panchayat members, majority of the members are belongs to women. So the leadership chances are nowadays very important and very common. Such and such chances should be there. We know that even in the force, our forces, you know, that is Air Force, Navy, military. Nowadays, chances are there for women also. So let let them to face the challenges, come to the leadership. That's all very important. It is time to create a world where all women can meet their potential without impediment or prejudice. We may have some impediment. What is the meaning? Barrier. Impediment means barrier, that is, blocks. It is time to create a world where all women can meet their potential without impediment, without barriers or prejudices. We may have some foresights, prejudices. Yes. She cannot do this, or she cannot lead as well. Such and such prejudices may be there. We have to avoid such prejudices, and the world will reap the benefits. What is reap? We can harvest the benefits. The three L's will help us get there. And so it is very important to develop the three L's. That will help us to get there. If we dare the differences, the difference will deliver. Thank you very much. So we have discussed the three L's here. Which are the three L's? The first one is learning, next one is labor, and the last one is leadership. Dear students, what is your idea about the three L's? Can these three L's change women and their present fate? It is for today's discussion. Can the three L's change women? That means learning, then labor, and leadership. Can these three L's change women and their present fate, present state, at present their state? While comparing to the former days, it is good, but we have to improve much. And here there are certain questions. Think and write yourself. Think about the role of educated, empowered woman in building a strong nation. What is the role of educated, empowered woman in building a strong nation? The role of learning, labor, and leadership skills in making women liberated. What is the role of learning, labor, and leadership to make the woman liberated, free? Third one, women should step outside their comfort zones. Discuss. What is comfort zone? They have to step outside their comfort zones. What is that? Women sometimes lack confidence to match their competence. Comment on the statement. How can we build self confidence in women? Certain questions are there. Think and write. First of all, you just think about these questions and you try your best to write your own words. Write in your own words. Later, I will give you an outline, notes later. But now, today, what you have to do, just to think about the five questions and you write yourself, your ideas. Okay? Let us, we can wind up today's class here. Next day, we have to do one activity. I will give you the detailed information later. Thank you.